Hello everyone, welcome back to the Java Hands-On series. In this episode, we will dive into another Stream API exercise that will enhance your Java fluency. The task is to write a method that groups a list of people by ages, so it accepts a list of person objects and returns a map where the keys are the ages. So this is the method signature. So let's get started. For our implementation, I created this Maven project, and I defined this stream katas where I will add the implementation for this exercise. And this is my test class. It has an instantiation of the stream katas. So first, let's add the signature of the method. So this is the signature of the method. It accepts list of persons. We need to define this model. So let's create a class here, person. And it has two properties. Let's make it final. We will add some Lombok annotation to provide the required constructor, get and setter. So as you see, the method accepts list of person, and here we will add our implementation. Because we are practicing test-driven development, we will write the test first. This is our test. We apply the method that we will implement. We apply to a list of data. So let's generate this data or this function. So we write our test first. It just generates few objects. As you see here, Alice is 25 years old, 30, 25, and the expectation is that when we group this list of person, we will have two groups. One group with the age 25 and the second one 30, and this is the expectation. The key set should have the size equal to 2 and have exactly these values, and the values is the count. So we are counting the people having the same age. In the first group we will have 3 people, and the second group 2 peoples. So now if we run the test, so the expectation it will fail because we haven't yet implemented the test. As you see here, it fails. Now let's provide an implementation. So we will use function from the Stream API, and therefore the parameter list of person, it is a list, and there is one method added to interface that transforms the list into a stream. So we need only to collect the list, this stream, by grouping. So there is one option, collectors. You need to choose the right collector. There is one option. You can use grouping by person. It is suggested here by age, counting. So this exercise is pretty simple. The purpose is only to get fluent to Java code. Now we are done. So let's test again. Users here, and as you see, everything is green. So this was our demo for today. I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching, and bye.